Okay, well, here's lesson number 2 for you all who are learning some Irish or reviewing your Irish or improving your Irish or just trying not to drive me crazy. Here's ua, another vowel combination, U-A. These are diphthongs that we've been talking about. Day hour. Is more an trua. Is more an trua. It's a great pity. Trua. There's a good case for ua. Is trualam the chás. I pity your situation, or I feel bad for your situation. Is trualam. Is trua yum. Whatever, the chás, which is a nice thing to say. Is trualam the cheann. That's not such a nice thing to say. I pity your head. In other words, I don't know how your head is working. It's trualam the cheann. Is fua me. I hate it. Fua. Another UA word. Fua. Yum. A. Is fua me. Gandua, without difficulty. Gan. G-A-N. Dua. Right, without difficulty. Rua, my red hair. Rua. Far Rua, a red-haired man. Rua, a squirrel. Beir bua, succeed, seize the victory. Beir bua. Beir bua agus bannacht, seize victory and a blessing. Bualadh, applause. Bualadh, striking. Bus, of the palms. Bualadh. Chuaigh, I went. Chuaigh. Ua, with an E ending, I-G-H. Chuaigh, or huame. You don't always hear that ending, but if you do, it's E. Chuaigh, or huame. And one that occurs not on the first syllable I thought of is an yorua, which is Norway. So there's ua. So ua is always ua, just like ia is always ia. Okay? Study that, and then move on.